Hello everyone, welcome to the video walkthrough of Intelligent Product Recommendation in Grocery Retail, developed by Group 2 as part of the Cloud Technologies Assignment 2. So these are the details of the group members and the group coordinator. So jumping off to the motivation for building this particular project, and we got this motivation from various e-commerce websites and also from other retailers who are actually working on recommending products to their customers based on their particular purchase in order to enhance customer experience while doing online shopping or means of like that. So we have actually built this application with the use of three particular matrices in a priori algorithm, and we have actually generated rules, association rules using a priori algorithm, and have taken three matrices into account. Those are support, confidence, and lift, as you can see on the screen. And let now just write up to the application that we have built. So this is actually the application page, and this has been designed on Shiny Apps template and then has been loaded to shinyapps.io cloud platform. We'll come to the live endpoint of the shinyapps.io at a later point of time, but just to let you know that this application is currently live, we will provide that demo as well. So as you can see, this currently shows nothing because we are yet to feed a data to this. So let's just start by feeding it a data. So the data that we have over here is, we can take this particular data set and let's see what happens. So it actually gives you the summary of the entire data set, how it has been built, and also along with that all the a priori rules that are getting followed, and along with that the absolute frequency plot and the relative frequency plot. So just to say that we have over here taken a max of 4 items. The user can edit the code, or the customer can edit the code, and they can place as many number of items as they had like to see to according to their data. So here we have generated the top 10 a priori rules with arrow plots, just to show that okay fine, what are the association rules that are getting generated on that particular data. And finally the group metrics plot, which actually tells you that what all products together should be put together, so that a customer, whenever they purchase one of them, there is a highly likelihood that they will purchase the other one or the other two as well. So this is entirely the project. The most beautiful thing about this project is that it is not dependent on the data that we have provided. So here the customer or the user can actually choose a CSV file or can actually do their testing on a different data set if they have something available for their end or not, from their end. So all they need to do is just they need to click on browse and enter their data set. So a little bit about the data set actually. uh, so here we have actually taken this groceries.csv. So as you can see that this is actually a data set we have taken from the R datasets package, and the file name is groceries. So here you can see that every row is actually a transaction. So the first transaction consists of 4 items, and our application won't be able to read this particular set of data. So what we have to do is we have to convert it. So we have used pig Latin processing and cleaning and have converted the data into this. So you can see that over there in the groceries data from the R dataset had 4 items in the first row, and we have split it into 2 columns, giving a transaction ID to one column and the items listed in there for that particular transaction. And so this is the readable format for our data, that for our application that we have built. Now coming to the live endpoint, we have actually deployed it using a Docker image into shinyapps.io. The entire code for this is provided in GitLab and also has been shared with you in the zip file provided with this, and we have everything up in place over here. So this is the URL, this is the live URL. So you just need to click it, and this particular URL is open right now, and anyone can access this from entirely from anywhere in the world. So there are a lot of scopes of future work. The thing which we are trying to do is we are trying to gather more and more data in order to see that whether the association rules work for huge amount of data or not. And let's see what we come up with this. But for the time being, we have prepared this particular application, and hope you like it. Thank you.